Guys, alam mo ba guys? Alam nyo ba guys, wala kaming bahay. Kaya nandito kami sa labas. Alas 9 na ng umaga. O, Bishi, ano na, magpa-practice ka na lang. Total, wala naman tayong bahay. O, sige, sige na, yan. Yung tulis, sabi mo. Ah? Saan tayo pupunta? Saan? Ah?
Lakad-lakad lang tayo.
Ano na? Practice pa more.
Puro Tagalog.
Ikaw, kung anong gusto mo.
Music video. Okay.
Anong...
Ah, ilan mo sa song? All I have is just a little honesty.
Namamaos na siya, guys.
All I know is you're not coming back to me. You're not trying to make me stay, but I just have to let you go. If the feeling is gone, all I have is just a little honesty. Though I know that you're not coming back to me, you know I'll do anything to make you stay, but I just have to let you go. I just have to let you go. I just have to let
Seryoso ka ba?
you go.
No sleeping. Guys, no sleeping. No sleeping, guys. No sleeping, ha? No sleeping. ang
Hindi naman weather na.
ang English talaga, no sleeping, ha?